This jet stream was discovered during the Second World War. The outcome of Second World War. Yes. When the flights which are moving towards the west, they experienced a strong barrier opposite it. Okay, the flight was not flow except expected speed. Okay, so the fuel was getting wasted when you're moving towards the western side. But once you drop the bomb and you turn the flight, it goes beyond its capacity. It flows beyond its capacity. Just imagine in TVS XL Super, we are going 200 kilometers per hour. எப்படி இருக்கும் வண்டி என்ன ஆகும்? வீல் இந்த பக்கமும் வீல் இந்த பக்கம் கழுத்து போயிடும். So beyond its capacity, the flights, the jets for flown beyond its capacity of their speed. So then the pilots had given the report there is some stronger wind system flows at the high altitude. So based on the reports they have discovered there is a strong wind system flows at high altitude from west to east. So it's a given name as jet streams. It's an accidental discovery, outcome of Second World War. Okay, still we don't know many things about the jet streams, but we have some strong impact over the global climate. So finally we come out with some outcomes. These outcomes are generalized patterns. We cannot fix it. Okay, this is exactly this is going to be. Till this is accepted. In future it may get changes anything. So definition of jet stream is, this is definition of jet stream. A strong, rapidly moving circumpolar. What does it mean circumpolar? Yeah, circle the pole. Circling the pole. Circumpolar. Westerly as circulation from west to east in a narrow belt at upper atmosphere. Something like a ribbon. Something like a ribbon structure at the upper atmosphere. So if you draw a picture here, draw like this, west to east. It found in both the hemispheres. Case found in both the hemispheres. New topic should be on a new page. Purida, new topic should start with the new pages. But அந்த அரை பக்கத்தை மிச்சப்படி என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க அப்புறம்? You have that habit. New topic should go with the new pages. New question go to new pages. Right? Don't follow the again and again and again. Once jet stream முடிஞ்சு we go to the local institute, go to the new page. Monsoon new page. Cyclones new page. Okay. Each major topic should go to new pages. Okay. Okay. The characteristics are normally it's having a 7.5 to 14 kilometers of altitude. Altitude is like this. We can make this an altitude. This is the ground and this is altitude. 7.5 to 14 kilometers. Who is this? Why I drawn this picture? So human will not experience the wind system. It goes above on him. So we will not feel it. When we draw a trade wind system, we should draw like this. What does it mean? We feel it. There is a surface wind system. Really, these are a simple diagrammatic explanation of the wind. இதெல்லாம் போடலாம். They will accept it. ஃபீல் பண்ணி வரைஞ்சிருக்கான் அப்படி நினைப்பான். என்னமா ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டான் அப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணாலும் ஒரு மார்க் போட்டுருவார். அவ்வளோதான். நமக்கு தேவை என்ன கடைசியா ஒரு மார்க் அவ்வளோதான். And normally it flows 20 degree from the poles. அப்படின்னா இங்கே வந்து 20 degrees. Normally it come around 60 to 70 degrees, that distance as the flow on. The width will be 50 to 250 kilometers, and you can see the depth is 2 to 4 kilometers, something like very narrow. See this, total width is 250 kilometers out of the depth, looks very thin, only 4 kilometer thickness, like this it will be. So it flows, it's a wavy pattern, so it flows like this. Just like you take a ribbon, you flow the ribbon, the wave pattern, the same kind of structure we can find it at the jet streams. 2 to 4 kilometers of a depth, and the maximum speed can be measured up to 450 kilometers in the middle of the wind system. The middle of the wind system, middle exactly here. But in the top and the bottom, there is a friction with the atmosphere. The wind speed will be little bit lesser. You have seen the big pipe, water flow, very pipe thanni flow. If you keep your hand across the water, where you will feel maximum speed? In the center. What about the side? Lesser speed. Why? Friction with the pipe. Speed will reduces, but in the middle there is no friction, have a maximum speed. So all the objects will have the same thing. When the wind system flows into the atmosphere, in the top and bottom there is atmospheric molecules. So it have a friction here. Just imagine this is the stream. This flows here, and there is a huge atmosphere. There is a friction at the top, friction at the bottom. But in the middle you will have a maximum speed. But in the top and bottom we have a lesser in the speed. That's why we have a speed is up to 36 km, maybe lesser. It will be around 450 in the top, then maybe 400 in the 450 in the middle, 400 maybe in the top. The lesser in the speed little bit. Just like the flows into the pipe of atmosphere. And this wavy pattern, swift flowing, this is very rapidly flowing, and when both the hemispheres is present, and very very important, it also shifts along with the sun. Here the problem begins. When it shifts along with the sun, it influences global climatic conditions.